What's going on, everyone? I just got done editing all of our Disneyland videos and California Adventure videos. We had season passes for about a year, and on the rides I took my 4K gimbal stabilized low light camera. So for the next few weeks I'll be dropping those videos. So if you want to see what the ride's about, stay tuned and we'll take you on a POV adventure.
Look how weird the clouds look. They're all they have like a gray layer underneath and white behind it.
I'm about to get Kylie screaming. Here you go, boys! Hey, girls! Get the water time. No. There's one more. Throws you around. This was pretty fun. I thought it was a bigger drop or something, but it's just a spiral. Yeah. It's not like a. We got to do the Incredible Coaster.
I've never done that before.
Dude,
The
whole
time
I'm just like
floating off to drop.
Sideways.
Yeah. It threw my.